A tipping point is an abrupt change from one stable state to another, otherwise known as a point of no return or a threshold. It occurs when there is an amplifying positive feedback mechanism that reaches the critical point where even one small change to the system can result in a dramatic shift to the system as a whole. On the slide in front of you, you can see the ball on the left, right here. This ball represents a system in a stable state. This means that even if the ball is pushed slightly to the right or slightly to the left, it will roughly remain in similar conditions. However, what happens when a positive feedback mechanism pushes the ball all the way up to the right here? Now you can see that the ball is in a very precarious position. Even a small push could shift the ball into an entirely new equilibrium down here. This point where the ball is called the tipping point, or the threshold. If the ball is pushed to the right any further, it will fall into a new steady state, as illustrated here, where the ball is in stable state 2. Now, in this new stable state, if anything pushes the ball slightly to the right or slightly to the left, it will maintain stable conditions. As you can see, it would be very difficult to push the ball all the way back to the left and into the first initial equilibrium. And that's why it's really important to understand tipping points when we talk about climate change. Many feedback loops in Earth's climate system are nearing critical tipping points. We may not know exactly where these tipping points are. However, we do know that once we cross the threshold, the climate will have shifted into an entirely new equilibrium, and it may not be an equilibrium that we like.